Spices, so in today's video we are going to be baking a ham. This is the easiest recipe that you'll come across on here, and we of course are going to glaze it at the end. So if you want to know how to bake a ham, let's go spice things up. We picked up this spiral ham from Costco. They have really good quality meat, and to make it super easy we're going to put it in this roaster. We unwrapped the packaging and into the roasting pan it goes, and of course I will put a link to this roasting pan in the description box below. And of course we want to preheat our oven. We are going to cook it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then once it is preheated we are going to put it in the oven and we are going to cook it for an hour and 15 minutes. Once an hour and 15 minutes has passed, as you can see, it is nice and hot and time for the glaze. So this is a super easy glaze. You just want to add some brown sugar to the top. Just kind of spread it all over. And then after you put however much you want, which is about 1/4 cup over the top, we are going to add some syrup. You can add maple syrup or regular syrup, whatever kind of syrup you want. Now what I love about this recipe and this glaze is you cannot get any easier than this. This is so delicious and yet so easy. And then after you are putting the ingredients over the top, we are going to put it back in the oven, and you want to go ahead and cook it for 15 more minutes. And after 15 minutes you can go ahead and take it out and your ham is done. Enjoy and happy holidays. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.